Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing good. My name is Rita. For those of you who do not know, if you're new to this channel, my name is Rita and this is Nshuti Creations UG page, and I share with you my sewing tutorials. I teach you how to sew. I share sewing hacks, and I also once in a while I post a personal vlog for you guys to get to know more about me, because yeah, it's good to know the person you get to watch. And yeah, so if you're interested in that kind of content, please first of all subscribe, like right now. Thank you for those of you who have already subscribed, and for those of you who haven't, please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like my videos, don't forget to share, and yeah, you can also go ahead and hit the notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video. And if you're interested in online classes, I'm going to have a number running down below, so it's my WhatsApp number, and you can get in touch with me. Yeah, so that's it. Let's get into the video. Let's get into today's tutorial and let's see what I have for you today. All right, thanks. Have a blessed day. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing good. So today I'm going to show you a very short tutorial. I was midway halfway of doing it, and then I realized, what if my subscribers don't know how to do this? So I figured I should show you what to do. So now today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to put crinoline as your, like, to use it for hemming. So this is the dress in the previous tutorials that I am making with a long train. So this is a dress with a long train, and I'm going to show you how to attach crinoline to it to give it that nice curvy hem. And then it also has lining on the inside. So yeah, so let's get into that. Stay tuned if you're interested. So first of all, you guys know, if you watched the previous video where I talked to you guys about closing off the edge of the crinoline in the standing collar tutorial, you guys know why we do this, so that it does not prick, because this has a tendency of pricking, like it's plastic, I don't know, plastic rubber, whichever. So it pricks if you don't cover this. So I've covered this with masking tape. This is the masking tape that I use. So I cover it with this on this side, and also I'll also do it on the other end. So how I have aligned is, I've put my fabric, this is the right side of the fabric, and then this is the right side of the lining. So place them right sides facing, and then place your crinoline on top. Like I said, I started doing this, I realized I started shooting the video halfway, so I've already pinned all around, if you can see the pins, like, and it's a chapeau train. It's a dress with a chapeau train, so it's what I'm doing. And now I'm going to go on stitching 1/2 inch all around. So, and guys, when you're stitching, make sure you do not pull up on the fabric. Like, do not pull on the crinoline, because if you do, it will not bring the bounce that you want. I'm first removing this. Still, if you know, I've done a tutorial showing you why I put masking tape on this. It's when I'm stitching stretchy fabric. If you have like a manual machine or a machine that does not support stretchy fabric, you can put your masking tape still under the presser foot, and then stitch, and the stitches will come out really nicely. So let's get on to stitching. Don't forget to back stitch, of course. So I'm just going to go around by half an inch, and make sure when you're stitching you hold it steady. Hold all the fabrics down steady while stitching. It's better to go slow but sure than to just rush through it and then reach halfway and yeah, you've not stitched down everything. Remember, I'm working with 3 different fabrics, so I have to be extremely careful to make sure I pin down everything. Yeah, so guys, you need pins first of all. And remember, I told you do not pull on the crinoline because we want it to curve. So if you pull on it, that means you'll have finished all the stretch. So do not pull on it. So I'm just going to do this up to the end, and yeah, I think we'll continue from there. I'm going around the train, that's from the side up to the other side, because this dress has a slit and you'll see how that turns out. All right, so I'm now coming to the end of the dress. So because this is, oops, so I was saying, when you get to the end of the crinoline, cut it off. This is what I've cut off, and then I'm going to use this to wrap it up. Just to cover the edge. I don't know if you can see, but let me do this. So yeah, you can see I've just covered the edge. So, and then finish. Do not forget to back stitch, guys. So yeah, so this is how it looks like. I don't know, the colors are really dark. Even my crinoline is dark, as you can see. So there are 3 layers. This is the main fabric, and then this is the lining, and then this is the crinoline. All right, so let me show you how it looks after I've turned, but I'm going to first stitch my lining on the inside, on the side of the slit. I have to first stitch that together and then turn inside out, because here this is going to be my slit, the side slit of the dress. So I'm going to first turn that. So I'm going to first turn that inside out. After turning this slit inside out, then I'll show you how I will top stitch the crinoline. So stay tuned, because you need to see this part too. All right. So that's how the skirt is going to look like. As you can see, it has a side slit that starts from here. So wherever you see me pinning, just now I'm going to stitch there. I'm going to top stitch, and then this is where our crinoline is, those pins. those pins, that's where the crinoline is. You can see it visibly actually here, and when I finish stitching it, it's going to bring out that curve. You see the curve? Let me first make it focus. Yeah, so the curve these tails make, it's going to come out after stitching. When I finish stitching, the curve is going to come out really nicely. You can see the curve is already forming. It's the only challenge I'm having is that my dummy is short. Sorry, my dummy is long, and yet the client's measurements are for I won't say she's short because she already called me out for it, but yeah, you get I think I'll just put a picture when she's fully dressed, and then you can see how well it's going to come out. So that's the front. It's going to have, as you can see, it has these what are they called, drips at the side, and then it has this front, it has the side slit, and then the tail, the chapel train at the back. Then I'm going to put, we changed from a dress, so I'm going to make this like a skirt, and then we decided to make this like a crop top. She preferred a crop top. When she came in for fitting, she said this looked better, but the torso was a bit shorter, so it's not going to be like so open the way you see here on the dummy. Anyway, you'll just see the photo. It's going to look really beautiful. So I have to put like a waistband, and then not forgetting the zipper at the back. And then after stitching where all those pins are, I'll be done with the dress. So stay tuned.